Hello and welcome to this video that will talk about the country of India and the interesting information it contains. We will cover many different topics about India, starting from its history, religions, languages spoken, and even its best economic resources and tourist attractions. History of India. India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world, dating back to more than 5,000 years. India has witnessed various stages of civilizations and empires over the ages, including Hinduism, Islam, and British colonization. Among the personalities who shaped India's history was Gandhi, who led the movement for India's independence from British colonialism. Religions in India. India is known for its diversity of religions, where around 80% of the population follows Hinduism, followed by Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, and Jainism. India is a tangible example of religious tolerance and peaceful coexistence between different religions. Languages in India. The Indian people speak more than 22 official languages in addition to many other local languages. Hindi is the most common official language in India, spoken by more than 40% of the population. English is the second common language in India and is spoken by many intellectuals and businesses. Economic resources in India. India is known to be one of the fastest-growing economies in the world, characterized by modern technology, innovation, manufacturing, agriculture, and tourism. Agriculture is the primary economic resource in India, characterized by the production of rice, cotton, tea, sugar, spices, fruits, and vegetables. India also has a strong manufacturing industry, producing automobiles, renewable energy, electronic services, and modern technology. Best tourist attractions in India. India is a famous tourist destination in the world, as it includes many wonderful tourist attractions, such as the Taj Mahal, Amber Palace, India Gate, Kaziranga National Park, Dal Lake, and many other places. Visitors can enjoy safari trips, outdoor activities, and enjoy the beautiful natural scenery and experience local culture and heritage. India is characterized by many activities that can be done, whether you want to enjoy the beautiful nature or get to know the rich cultural heritage of the country. The following are some of the unique activities that can be done in India. 1. Visit tourist attractions. Visitors can enjoy visiting many famous tourist attractions, such as the Taj Mahal, Amber Palace, Kaziranga National Park, Ranthambore National Park, and many more. 2. Safari. Visitors can enjoy safari trips in many rural areas in India, such as safari trips in the Panthera National Reserve and Ranthambore National Park. 3. Experience local culture. Visitors can get to know the rich cultural heritage of India by attending many local festivals and events, such as Holi Festival and Diwali Festival. 4. Relaxation and massage. India is known for its traditional treatments, including massage with aromatic oils, yoga, meditation, and herbal treatments. 5. Shopping. Visitors can shop in traditional markets in Indian cities, such as Chandni Chowk in Delhi and Colaba Market in Mumbai, which includes many famous shops. 6. Taste local food. Visitors can try many delicious dishes in local restaurants, such as curry, biryani, naan, and lassi. We hope you enjoyed watching this video that covered various topics about the country of India. Do not hesitate to share it with others and enjoy the beauty of this wonderful country. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.